When it comes to durability, hygiene, and long-term cost savings in industrial and commercial settings, epoxy flooring stands out as one of the most reliable and versatile solutions. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into how epoxy flooring is used across various types of industrial and commercial buildings, what makes it so effective, and why it's become the go-to option for facility managers, architects, and construction professionals around the world. Let's explore, right here on History of Simple Things. Epoxy flooring is a surface coating made by combining resin and hardener to form a rigid plastic material that's extremely strong, resistant to degradation, and bonds exceptionally well to its substrate. The result is a smooth, highly durable, and chemically resistant surface that's perfect for environments where heavy machinery, high foot traffic, or constant exposure to chemicals is the norm. Unlike traditional flooring materials like vinyl or concrete sealants, epoxy offers a protective layer that not only preserves the floor, but enhances its functionality. This type of flooring can be installed over concrete, wood, or metal substrates, making it a flexible choice for a wide range of applications. And because it comes in different finishes, from matte to high gloss and even customizable colors and textures, epoxy doesn't just perform well, it looks professional and clean too. In industrial buildings, durability and performance are absolutely critical. Warehouses, factories, production plants, and distribution centers all require flooring systems that can withstand the rigors of daily operations. Heavy forklifts moving back and forth, accidental spills of oils or corrosive chemicals, and exposure to fluctuating temperatures are common challenges in such environments. Epoxy flooring, particularly industrial-grade epoxy coatings, is engineered to meet these demands. It resists abrasions, chemical corrosion, and impact damage far better than bare concrete or tile. Some epoxy floors even have anti-static properties, which are essential in industries dealing with electronics or flammable substances. In food and beverage production, epoxy is ideal because it can be applied seamlessly, leaving no cracks or grout lines where bacteria or mold could grow. This makes it easy to clean and maintain hygiene standards. For areas that are exposed to constant moisture or need enhanced safety, textured or slip-resistant epoxy coatings can be added. These variations make epoxy not just a practical solution, but a customizable one based on the specific industrial need. In commercial settings such as retail stores, hospitals, office buildings, showrooms, and restaurants, the benefits of epoxy flooring are just as compelling. Beyond strength and chemical resistance, these environments demand aesthetics and user comfort. Epoxy floors can be designed with decorative finishes that mimic marble, terrazzo, or quartz, offering a luxurious look without the high cost or intensive maintenance associated with those traditional materials. Commercial kitchens, for example, often use epoxy flooring due to its seamless surface that resists staining and makes spills easy to clean up quickly. Hospitals and clinics value the hygienic properties of epoxy, especially in operating rooms or laboratories where a sterile environment is crucial. Epoxy can also be used to create color-coded zones, helping to direct foot traffic, mark safety areas, or highlight emergency exits. In shopping centers or large office buildings, the glossy finish of epoxy helps reflect overhead lighting, improving visibility and contributing to a bright, open atmosphere. Additionally, epoxy's durability means businesses face fewer interruptions due to flooring repairs, which is essential for minimizing downtime. Installing epoxy flooring is a detailed process that requires preparation, precision, and time. It begins with surface preparation, often the most critical phase. The existing floor must be thoroughly cleaned and often mechanically ground to ensure a strong bond. Any cracks, holes, or imperfections are repaired before the epoxy is applied. This is followed by a primer coat, which helps the epoxy adhere better to the substrate. Then, one or more layers of epoxy resin are applied, often with added aggregates for texture or color. Depending on the desired finish, a top coat may also be added to increase gloss, UV resistance, or anti-slip properties. The curing process is vital and usually requires at least 24 to 72 hours, during which time the floor should not be used. Because of these technical requirements, most commercial and industrial epoxy floors are installed by professionals with specialized equipment and expertise. When installed correctly, however, epoxy floors can last for decades with minimal maintenance, offering excellent value over time. One of the biggest reasons epoxy flooring is favored in both industrial and commercial buildings is its low-maintenance nature. The smooth, non-porous surface resists dirt, dust, and liquid absorption, meaning daily cleaning can often be done with just water and a mild detergent. There's no need for waxing or polishing, which significantly reduces maintenance costs. In environments where spills are frequent, like chemical labs or auto service centers, epoxy flooring resists staining and doesn't degrade with repeated cleaning. For facilities with heavy equipment, the coating prevents wear and tear on the substrate, thereby preserving the structural integrity of the building itself. If damage does occur, many epoxy systems are repairable with patching kits or recoating, avoiding the need for a complete overhaul. With proper care, epoxy floors can last 10 to 20 years or more, depending on usage intensity, making them one of the most cost-effective flooring options available for high-traffic environments. Epoxy flooring is more than just a surface coating. It's an investment in durability, safety, hygiene, and aesthetics. Its application in industrial and commercial buildings has revolutionized how businesses think about their floors, turning them from a wear-and-tear liability into a reliable asset that enhances both functionality and visual appeal. Whether you're managing a factory floor, a hospital, a retail space, or a commercial kitchen, epoxy flooring provides a solution that adapts to your needs and performs for the long haul. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.